How to fix blurry wallpaper in Windows 11. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, what need to do is you need to right click on the mouse and go to the display settings, and on the display setting page, as you can see, there is a option called scale. As you can see, this is currently on 150%, that's recommended, and I would recommend you to stay to the recommended one. Or if you face any problem like blurry situation or anything, you can just change it and see if that fixes your problem. And if this option doesn't work with you, you can just click on the lower section like display resolution and click on this. And as you can see, the 1920 into 1080 ratio is the recommended one for me. You can just check or browse for other ones and select it and see if that helps you. And if this also doesn't help you, you can just go to the Windows search bar and search for driver, and then you just have to select the display adapters from here, and then you just have to click on the display adapter, right click on it, and you just have to click on update driver, or you can also click on properties, then click on driver, and then you can just click on update driver and search automatically for drivers, and this will update your display driver. So that's the all three options to get your blurry wallpaper fixed. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.